Have you heard about reverse mortgages? I had someone call me today, in fact, asking me about reverse mortgages. And I was explaining to them how expensive reverse mortgages are. And so I've got Ruth Ann here with me
Hmm.
today. And I wanted her to kind of help you guys understand, even as a lender side, the pros and cons of some of those things, because reverse mortgages there's a place for them, but there's also other options.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know, help us through this
Okay.
because,
Well, reverse mortgages, in a nutshell, without getting too technical and being
yeah,
too confusing, is that a reverse mortgage basically uses your home's equity to
right.
make the house payment, so you don't have to make the payments.
Or actually get money into
Yeah.
you every month to live on however you want to spend it,
Right. You can
right?
get depending on the
Okay.
equity you have.
Yeah.
Yes. They're very costly. We don't do them at our company. Another option that I've offered my customers, and they've taken me up on that, is to do what we call a cash out refinance.
Sure.
So basically, you're going to do a cash out refinance, get the equity out of your home.
Mhm.
Then I suggested opening an interest bearing account,
Right.
putting that money in that account, and then using that money to make the payments.
Right. And
So,
be
yeah,
more disciplined with that
yeah,
money so
yeah,
that you don't blow it.
right, right.
Because with a reverse mortgage, many times what I have found is the fees to do that actual mortgage is so
It's
expensive.
very costly. It's
Yeah.
very costly.
I've
Yeah.
heard that it's more than double than what it would cost for a regular mortgage.
Sometimes triple. Yep.
Triple.
Yep.
See, so,
Depending.
before you think about jumping into something like that, call us because that's what we want.
Yes,
But the good news is we want to tell you about the new loan limits that came out today, which actually
yep.
helps so many people.
It does. It does. There are two different, well, there's more mortgage, different types of mortgages, but
Oh
you've got
yeah.
a conforming loan amount,
Uh-huh.
and then you've got a jumbo, which is considered non-conforming.
Help them understand what conforming means.
Conforming basically means it's a conventional loan,
Right.
so is the jumbo, but the conforming, that's just called conforming loan amounts.
Mm-hmm.
If you go over that, you're in a jumbo. That's a
Right.
different product.
Correct.
So the difference, the pros and cons, the difference between that, the rates are about the same now.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, in a normal market,
Whatever that is.
the jumbo rates are usually about a half a point higher than what conforming interest rates
Mm-hmm.
are. So everybody wants to stay in that conforming loan limit.
Yeah.
Right now, the jumbo rates are about running the same as the conforming.
Okay.
The biggest difference is a jumbo, which is, we haven't even mentioned the loan,
Right.
which is the new loan limit is 625,000. It
For
went up for a conforming loan
okay.
amount. Anything under 625 is a conforming loan amount.
So people just understand that conforming would be just a conventional loan, basically anything under
Exactly,
625.
625.
Okay.
And that went up from
Five.
548,300, I believe, is the amount.
Yeah.
So it went up quite a bit. And what
Yeah.
that's based on is the market, the values of
Mhm.
homes.
Prices have just
Yes,
escalated,
yeah.
right?
So that increases your conforming loan amount. The biggest difference is the jumbo loan. The underwriting is a lot tougher.
Mm-hmm.
The documentation required is a lot more.
Uh-huh.
Their guidelines as far as debt ratios and minimum credit scores and all that are a lot.
There's just a
They're
different type of program.
different type of program.
Yeah.
So it's good in most cases to be able to stay under that jumbo, which again is 625,000. Those are the new 2022
Oh,
loan limits.
okay.
We're in 2021.
Correct.
Our company we just launched it today, so we're going to start doing those loan limits today.
Correct.
Yeah, typically they don't start until the 2022 year, but yeah.
Oh, so they technically, not every company will change
No.
those loan values
Correct.
until 2022.
2022.
Now I get it.
Yep.
See, asking questions.
Yep.
So that's the benefit of working with us is
Yeah.
you can help us get advantage of that, and that may mean $100,000 less that you would have to put down.
Correct.
If you were buying a little bit more of an expensive home or a luxury
Right,
home.
because a jumbo loan requires more money down versus what a conforming loan amount does.
Right, because they can still do 5%
Yes.
down up to
And in some cases,
625,000, right?
cases 3%.
Right,
Yes.
depending on
Depending on if you
terms
qualify,
and all
income
that.
limits.
Right.
Yeah.
So that really makes a huge difference for somebody.
Yes, it does.
Yeah,
it does.
So
it's good news.
Yeah, that is awesome news.
Yeah.
And with the way rates are, they can really afford
Right.
a lot more. So.
Exactly.
Oh, Ruth Ann, you're a breath of fresh air.
Oh, thank you. So are you.
See, it's great when we work together. We've known each other
Yeah.
a few years.
Yeah,
but it's nice that we can talk about some of these things that really can help
some of the
people.
new releases. Yes.
Yeah, and how we can be on top of it right for you.
Yes.
So If you like this video, like it down below, turn on notifications about it, and reach out to us any way you'd like. Text, call, email. We're here. We want to be able to make that process for you a lot easier.
Yes.
Terrific. Thanks, Ruth Ann.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
You're welcome.